even the FSL report points at the regional manager, investigation points at the regional manager, yet the contractors are hauled up for no reason.
No,
The signatures,
you are the beneficiaries of that fake bank guarantee.
beneficiaries in what way do we know to verify whether it's a bank guarantee is real or fake? What a manager gives me, I'm handing over to the authorities. Your Lordship, one other aspect.
Where
Your
is the statement of Anil TM?
because that will show that they have verified this very same bank guarantee and
This
certified it.
particular bank guarantee was not verified. Other
It-
bank
How
guarantees
ca-
are verified.
Your Lordship, work orders issued only after that,
Let's see.
and it was done by email.
So this fake bank guarantee means we should stop.
Your Lordship, if
Because
it is,
every contract is now marred with this
Your,
fake bank guarantee. In GM, I have seen at least 10.
Your Lordship, in all of this, it is only when,
Who is the beneficiary? Why would a bank manager give it if you don't want it?
Your Lordship, may I explain that?
You can't feign
I
ignorance
will,
in that
no,
case.
I will explain that. This is the only way they are able to hold them to ransom to get their commissions before the final payment is made. 28 crores has to be released.
That's all
You're
right.
not,
All that is
no, that
fine.
is the only way they will benefit. The government officials are hand in glove with the regional manager, and Mr. Jagdish is trying to mislead, saying Arun Kumar's name is mentioned.
No,
Finally,
Arun
when
Kumar's
Anil
name-
TM comes out,
Kumar's name-
now,
No, 1 minute. He did not say Arun Kumar's name is mentioned. He said Anil TM's name is
An-
mentioned and Anil TM's signature matches.
signature matches, even all the signatures, handwriting, everything matches only with the regional manager, nothing to do with the
Correct.
contractors.
No problem. It matches with the regional manager. For whose benefit was the DD given?
The benefit is for the government officials and the bank manager. Your Lordship, if my amount is to be
1
released,
minute. On that fake bank guarantee, have you taken the tender or not?
I would not know if it is fake.
That's
Your Lordship, they are verifying. Your Lordship, how is my work contract given to me even without verification? Your Lordship, let them produce that email for the first verification. Your Lordship, not just the first verification.
matter of investigation.
Your Lordship, this is unfair. Your Lordship, might I
It is
say,
unfair.
it is extremely unfair that they produce the FSL report, investigation, everything goes as against the bank manager. He is not even made a party. When Your Lordship
Manager
asks
is not
him,
an
they say he is
accused.
others.
He's an accused.
Bank manager is not an accused.
He's produced as others. Till so far, these people
Your
have
Honor,
been
Lordship, he's
pulling their
taken
heels
action
in jail. He walks in and out of the police station, Your Lordship.
Wait.
Four.
Wait.
There only, my lord, your lordship is holding.
Charge sheet hakil alwa
No,
ನೀವು?
actually.
He will come in as accused.
Then we
he has
treat him
to.
as an accused number 4.
He has to come in as accused.
Your Lordship,
FIR ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. He
Your
can come
Lordship,
in as
from the
accused.
beginning,
in
we've
charge.
only been asking, produce the email that shows that they verified that this is the very same bank guarantee was verified by them.
No problem, madam. You are the beneficiary of that particular
Your
bank
Lordship, I
guarantee.
cannot benefit
Sir.
in any manner.
Why? Tender ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Your Lordship, continuously tender has been given on this bank guarantee.
Yes.
Verification has been done on this bank guarantee. Let that verification be produced, Your Lordship.
Which KPTC ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಿದು?
Your Lordship, this is the Educational Institution Society, KREIS.
Implead the CRIS.
Please,
Yes, implead the CRIS.
please,
Implead CRIS, we will see whether they have sent it for verification or
please,
not.
please.
Yes.
Speak, Your Lordship.
List on 26th, the council on record shall implead CRIS as a party respondent to these proceedings.
Please. Oblige.
Lodge a complaint against
3 and 4.
Pokso na?
Awesome.
And moreover, my lords, what the special court does is, it directs the further investigation in view of the averments made by in the application by the de facto complainant to follow that manner.
He has not collected any documents from the hotel where they stayed, my lord. And to find out the age also, he has not gone.
Age of the victim
17.
17 years. My lord.
At the time of the incident.
Yes, my lord.
And what they have done is, both of them have gone to the Superintendent of Police Commissioner's Office, Raichur. They have gone and they have signed the register wherein they have stated that we want to get married. Initially, a missing complaint was filed, wherein nowhere it is mentioned that the victim is a minor girl. Subsequently, when they got to know that this is the act wherein they have gone to the Superintendent of Police, a missing complaint has been converted into this.
Pokso case.
Please.
Now both of you got married.
No, I'm in custody, my lords.
You are in custody.
He fabricates, by the extent, my lord, he fabricates the birth certificate of the victim, my lord, and produces it with the Honorable Sessions Court, my lord.
It is given by
Saying
the
that she
victim
is a
girl.
major.
But according to you also, she was 17 years old.
Yes, my lord.
We have also
Failed
filed
to get
But
that.
they say she's a major. Fabricate the documents.
All right.
All
Now,
these documents.
She's not a major, it's all right. Now what is her age?
Here
Now
only.
today
very
18,
lim-
my lords.
Today 18.
Like month of
Now
October
18.
18, now 18.
Only limited purpose, my lord. Security,
You are the father or mother?
I'm the father, my lord.
If it is only issue of Mazar, Pool Singh takes care of that issue, my lord. Pool Singh,
What takes care?
Pool Singh says sole testimony of the victim itself is sufficient.
Then why further investigation is
It
required?
is
Not-
only for that aspect, my lord.
Now in these facts, I am not going to permit further investigation. They were in love.
Yes, my lord.
Please,
They
my
say
lords.
that.
They were in love.
They say that.
Yeah, they say that. They
And
were
the
in love.
superintendent of police makes a call to
They
the
were in love. They wanted to get married. Yes, father doesn't want. Axe to grind.
relatives, my lords, more
No,
or
but
relatives.
160 statement is totally against,
Oh, you belong to different caste, is it?
No,
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 same
relatives,
caste,
same
Muslims.
caste, relatives.
Oh,
I
relatives.
belong to a lower class, they belong to a
they're not
little
relatives,
upper
but
middle
he's misguiding
class.
the honorable court.
It's all right. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಗೈಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
No, here
ಮದುವೆ
160
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
164 statement, yes,
Hmm.
properly I can read the 164 statement, madam.
But I'm also relying on.
164 statement will be like that. That's all right. I am not halting the trial. Well, no further investigation after this. Yes.
I'm also relying on one Arjun Pandit Rao case, my lords, wherein prosecution. Para 25, my lords, 54. 55, my lords. In a criminal tire, it is unused.
Same, no?
She is now 18, ಅಲ್ಲ?
Please,
Let the trial get over.
please.
Now
Now, what
stop
has
your-
happened is in
Stop your access to grind. Better.
after this order of your lordships to continue with the trial, 3 dates intentionally all the witnesses have remained absent, my lords. Now NBW is issued.
He
to
is not
all the
cross-examined the
witnesses.
witness, whoever comes before the honorable court, madam. So
Please.
two, three witnesses, he has not intentionally has not cross-examined.
I will produce the
Now
order sheet.
everything will be over in 3 months.
Please,
I am going to direct everything to be over in 3 months.
I'm grateful.
Yes. The petitioner is before this court. Sole accused, Allah.
Please,
Calling in question an order dated 19/7/2024, passed in special case 2879 of 2023, registered for offences punishable under section, madam, page 22 alide, mark mad, offences so and so. Heard so and so. Sans details, facts in brief germane are as follows. A complaint comes to be registered by the second respondent complainant, father of the girl, on 9/10/2023, alleging that the daughter has gone missing. On 13/10/2023, the police investigate into the matter and the police investigate into the matter and on 13/10/2023, trace the missing daughter. It is then a complaint comes to be registered. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ? The police then conduct investigation and file a charge sheet for the aforequoted offences, and the matter is now pending as special case 2879 of 2023. The issue in the list does not concern the merit of the matter before the concerned court. What has driven the petitioner to this court in the subject petition at this juncture is an order passed by the concerned court on 19/7/2024, by which the court allows an application filed under section 173(8) of the CRPC, permitting further investigation into the matter, at the stage when the cross-examination of the witnesses was complete. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the order impugned runs foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Vinubhai so and so, 2019 SEC,
17 SEC.
2019-17 SEC, page 1. And several other judgments. Per contra, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent complainant submits that the investigating officer has conducted a shoddy investigation and has left out necessary material due to which the petitioner in all probability would get acquitted in the in the crime, acquitted in the trial. And therefore would submit it was necessary for the court to permit further investigation into the matter in the teeth of the investigating officer filing a final report which was completely contrary to all known canons of investigation. The learned additional SPP would, though toe the lines of the learned counsel for the second respondent, would submit that instead of permitting further investigation, there were several other courses open to the concerned court to bring in all the material that the court has now permitted in the impugned order for further investigation. I have given my anxious consideration, so on and so on. The four narrated facts are not in dispute. The issue at this juncture lies in a narrow compass. The petitioner and the daughter of the complainant are said to be in love. A missing complaint comes to be registered by the father of the daughter on 9/10/2023. The police traced the daughter on 13/10/2023, investigate into the matter and register offences punishable as aforequoted. The charges were framed and this trial was on. During the trial, at the stage when the cross-examination of the petitioner was Nimda,
PW6.
Cross-examination of PW6 was complete, it appears that the prosecution realized that prosecution realized or Niva? It appears that the
De facto
complainant
complaint.
realizes that the investigation was not appropriately conducted by the investigating officer. At that point in time, the complainant files an application under section 173(8) of the CRPC, seeking further investigation. The concerned court, by the impugned order, permits further investigation. Eಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ order?
Internal page 57, Malaj.
The reasons so rendered by the concerned court to permit further investigation runs as follows. Page 55 to 57. The concerned court notices, Vinubai court madilva nivali?
Madilor.
The concerned court notices the judgment of the apex court in the case of Vinay Tyagi of the year 2015 to hold that further investigation is a permitted course of action at the hands of the concerned court. The judgment in the case of Vinay Tyagi was further investigation by a constitutional court and not the concerned court or the court of session as the case would be. The issue as to whether the court can permit further investigation after the commencement of the trial or the trial being proceeded to trial being at the advanced stage need not detain this court for long or delve deep into the matter. A three-judge bench of the apex court in the case of Vinubai Haribai Malviya 2019-17 SCC page 1 has on identical set of facts held as follows. Para 10,
Para 25
one
and
minute. Issues are framed. Para 10, the apex court at para 10 has held as follows. The apex court formulates a question as to whether after a charge sheet is filed by the police, magistrate has power to order further investigation, and if so, up to what stage of the criminal proceeding. This the apex court answers.
Para 25
Para
and
42
42.
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
42.
At para 42, please. Yes. The apex court answers the issue that further investigation by the concerned court can be ordered up to the stage of commencement of the trial after framing of the charges. Till the power of the magistrate till the charges are framed would be available for ordering further investigation. In the case at hand, further investigation is admittedly ordered after the commencement of the trial and when the trial was at an advanced stage. this course that the concerned court, i.e. the Court of Session, has undertaken would fly foul of the law laid down by the apex court in the case of Vinubai so and so. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent would place heavy reliance upon a subsequent judgment of the apex court in the case of Yaudu?
Produced
2020, Neetu Kumar.
Neetu Kumar Nagachi.
so and so.
What's the state of Rajasthan?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಕಾಪಿ ಅದು?
Ninne ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
2016 is
In the list of
report.
citations. Lots of handy
the-
copy.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
Para
So
10.
and so. The Neetu Kumar Nagach versus State of Rajasthan 2020-16 SCC 777 to buttress his submission that it is open to it is always open for a further investigation due to complete justice in a given set of facts. The said judgment would not become applicable to the facts obtaining in the case at hand, as it is, as they said in the said judgment, it is the High Court that had ordered further investigation or re-investigation as the case would be, and not the Court of Session or the magistrate. The judgment of the apex court in Vinubai has been noticed. Idal notice madilva?
No, Millets, it's not.
Judgment in the case of Vinubai would hold the field and not would become applicable to the case of the case of facts of the case at hand, and not the judgment in the case of Neetu Kumar Supra. In that light, the order that is passed by the concerned court directing further investigation under 173(8) of the CR was at the advanced stage of trial is clearly an impermissible course in law. In that light, the following order.
The liberty to file before the sum.
Huh?
The liberty to file a petition before.
No,
Okay,
ನಾನೇನ್
liberty
ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ
to-
liberty. ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ you will consider. Yes, so and so. The for the aforesaid reasons, the following order. The writ petition, criminal petition is allowed. Criminal petition is allowed. Order dated so and so stands quashed. The concerned court shall continue with the trial as it continued prior to the passage of the impugned order. Yes.
Obliged.